In 1940, as World War II was beginning, the United States Army needed a new kind of vehicle. It had to be small, fast, lightweight, and powerful enough to travel through mud, sand, snow, and rocky terrain where ordinary vehicles could not go. Several American companies competed to build it, but the design created by Willys Overland became the most successful. In 1941, the legendary Willys MB entered military service. During the war, more than 600,000 Jeeps were built, carrying soldiers, transporting supplies, towing equipment, and helping save countless lives on battlefields around the world. When the war ended in 1945, people recognized that this tough little vehicle could do much more than serve in the military. Farmers, workers, and adventurers wanted the same reliability for everyday life. That inspired the first civilian Jeep, beginning a new chapter in automotive history. Over the following decades, Jeep became one of the world's most respected off-road brands. In 1997, the Jeep Wrangler TJ was introduced. It combined the classic Jeep appearance with improved suspension, making it more comfortable while remaining ready for the toughest trails. Today, the Jeep Wrangler TJ is admired by collectors and off-road enthusiasts around the world. Even after years of neglect, rust, and mud, these vehicles can be restored to their former glory, proving why the Jeep remains a true symbol of strength, freedom, and adventure.